We're going to read this book, My Body. Chloe, 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 what's this word? Very good, listen. How about this word?
Laugh.
Laugh, very good. How about this word? Cry, very good. How about this word? Smell, very good. How about this word? Afraid. How about this word? Sneaker, very good. How about this word? What's this word? What's this word again? Eat, very good. How about this word, Chloe? Look, this word. Arm. How about this word? Chest. How about this word? Belly. How about this word? Chloe. This one. This word. Leg. Very good. How about this word? Chloe, this one. This word. Foot. Very good. How about this word? Knee. How about this word? Toe. Chloe, what's this word? Hair. How about this word? Face. How about this word? Chloe, look. Chloe, how about this word? This one, Very good. How about this word? What's this word? Look, Chloe. This word, What's this word? Very good. How about this word? Face. Very good. How about this word? This word. This one. Eyebrow. How about this word? This word. Nose. And this word? Mouth. And this word? Eye. And this word? Chloe, look. Last one. Baby, what's this word? This word, Chloe. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, no?